Hi guys, welcome to Food Fantasy World. Today we are making mutton powder. Oil 3 tablespoon, peeled garlic 1/4 cup. Saute for 2 minutes on medium heat. Red chilli 1/2 cup. Saute for 2 minutes on medium heat. Keep aside. Same pan, oil 5 tablespoon. Dry mutton. Fry on medium heat until crispy. It can store up to 3 months. It's good for bachelors. Now keep aside. In a blender, add garlic and red chillies, salt as per taste, fried dry mutton, blend, make fine powder. Enjoy with rice or roti. If you guys like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Press bell icon whenever I upload new video, get notified. Rice, ghee on top, add mutton powder, enjoy with papad. Thanks for watching. See ya. Bye.